Today's topic is chart in Excel or Calc. Now, what is Excel and what is Calc? Excel and Calc both are application software, but these both comes under different operating system. Excel comes under Microsoft operating system and Calc comes under Linux operating system. The working of these both is same. These both we use for calculation. In these both we use a spreadsheet, or in other word we can say a worksheet. This worksheet word is not new for us. Only electronic worksheet is some new. But worksheet we are familiar from nursery to 4th class mostly. Students use that. A notebook which you used from nursery to minimum 4th class, that maths notebook was also a worksheet, because you saw there were many cells, and those cells were created by the intersection of rows and column. The intersection of rows and column in a wide range is called worksheet or a spreadsheet. The collection of every page of our Excel or Calc screen is called worksheet, and the collection of worksheets is called workbook. Now we will learn about charts in Excel. This is the basic knowledge of Excel. Now we will talk about charts, because our topic is chart. What is chart? Charts are the pictorial representation of a data. The data which we have in tabular form, by that data we perform by a graph, that is called chart. Now theoretically I will tell you today about 4 charts we have. According to our standard we have 8 charts in Excel, but now we will talk about 4 charts. Line chart, bar chart, area chart and column chart. Now we will talk about these all. Theoretically I will tell you today. Representation of numeric data arranged in the form of rows and columns. The data which we use in chart, that we have in the form of rows and column, or in the form of a picture. The data which we have in form of rows and column, we present that data in the form of a picture. Maybe we have the data of students' marks in a table, and how to show the data on a graph, that is called chart. In other words, we can say charts are the pictorial representation of numeric data arranged in the form of rows and columns. Calc, being a spreadsheet application, provide an easy to use features. Calc is a spreadsheet application, as I told you earlier. What is spreadsheet? It is a spreadsheet application, and it gives many easy features for creating different type of data for analysis or for performing the charts. To make the chart more effective and innovative, for more informative, Calc provides many chart formatting features. Calc gives us many chart features and the tools for better data analysis. And Calc gives us many tools, many components for analyzing our data on a picture or chart. So let us begin using this powerful Calc feature to make our worksheet data more meaningful. So we will learn more about this powerful application for knowing more information about this worksheet. Now we will read about charts. Chart types. What are chart types? Before we start using the chart features, let us try to understand the use of various chart types offered by Calc. Calc offered many types of charts and different type of data we can present by helping these charts As it is very important to select right type of chart for an accurate analysis of the worksheet data, some of the most commonly used chart types are some types of chart we will use now. Now we are going to start about these charts. First is column chart. A column chart is used to compare the value of two or more data series. Column chart we use for comparing the data, for comparing between values, two values in the same category. The values which have same category but different values. In this category, value are organized horizontally across x-axis, whereas their corresponding data values are placed vertically across y-axis. In this category, we will arrange the values horizontally or vertically. Horizontally, we will access x-axis, and vertically we will plot y-axis. Next is bar chart. A bar chart is also like the column chart. A bar chart is also like a column chart. We compare values in this also, but in column chart we compare only two values, but in this we will compare more than, we can compare more than two values. Except then in bar chart category are organized some different things here. In this chart, except column chart, in this chart we will plot vertical values in x-axis and horizontal values on y-axis. Line chart. A line chart represents the changing trend in the data values at equal interval. This chart we use for the changing trend of data values at the equal interval. The interval of values is equal, but trend is changing. This type of chart. This type of chart proved to be useful in depicting the change of value over a period of time for analyze the data changing trend. This type of chart is very useful for the data which have a long time period. Area chart. Just like the line chart, area chart is also used to emphasize the magnitude of change in the data over a period of time. This chart is also we use for representing the period of time on a magnitude. But in this, each series is plotted to show the relationship to that part of whole. But in this chart, the plotted categories, plotted series are linked to each other and all to show the relationship of the part of the whole. In next video, we will talk about more 4 charts like pie chart, XY chart, donut chart and net chart, or in next video we will talk about chart components. Thank you.